Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Mobility for Plant Personnel session. I'm Greg Gorbach with ARC, and I'm just going to kick this off with a very short presentation. Then we'll have three speakers, after which time we'll have a Q&A panel discussion. So let's get going. So just to set the context, you know, we're talking about this notion of information-driven manufacturing, and mobility is going to play, and is already beginning to play, a key role in that whole concept. So it's also one of the big six, I guess you would say, disruptive technologies that we see coming into manufacturing space and the industrial space, and in general into the world today. So what have we got about mobility? Well, today you can buy an iPhone remote-controlled Enzo Ferrari from Hammacher Schlemmer. So you got toys that you can control from your smartphone. That looks like fun. You have intelligent devices. This is a Nest learning thermostat that automatically figures out what it should set your temperature for, but if you want to change it, you can change it from your phone. You can do home automation from your smartphone as well. Things like turn things off and on all throughout your house. Lots of different solutions coming in that area right now, for iPads and iPhones to control your home systems. If you want to get creative, you can buy a spy drone. This is one from Brookstone that's controlled from an iPad. In this case, it actually uses the accelerometers to control this thing, so you can still use the screen to see the picture that you're actually spying on. So that's fun too. But what we're really here about is using these kind of technologies in the plant, in the factory. So you can also, from your smartphone, start interacting with your control systems and getting real-time manufacturing information and data in various ways. And again, turn things off or on, or escalate things, or do a variety of different things. We're going to hear about a lot of interesting stories today from our speakers. And you know, many of the suppliers that you see here today, are many of them that are exhibiting here at our forum, are also, I know, working on mobile solutions that are part of their offerings as well, because it's happening everywhere. It's happening pretty fast. So I'm not going to really spend a lot of time here. What are some of the opportunities in manufacturing for mobility? Well, in the areas of maintenance, inventory management, quality assurance and problem resolution, asset tracking, collaboration, health and safety, things like incident reporting, or video monitoring and streaming and security. You know, you see things that happen throughout operations with supervisory tools or scheduling changes, performance analysis.